Ever pondered the importance of understanding your tax situation? Well, it's more crucial than you might think. In the next 7 minutes, we're going to delve into the questions you should ask your tax professional to ensure you're in the know. First things first, you need to know what documents to provide. It's like providing the ingredients for a recipe. Without all the necessary ingredients, the final product won't be as it should. Your tax professional can provide a checklist or guidance to ensure you have all the necessary paperwork. Next, it's time to explore potential deductions or credits. Tax laws change like the seasons, so your tax professional can help you navigate these changes and identify opportunities to reduce your liability. Looking ahead can be beneficial. Discuss strategies with your tax professional to optimize your tax situation for the upcoming year. This could include anything from adjusting your withholding to contributing more to your retirement accounts. The route you take for deductions, whether standard or itemized, can make a significant difference. Your tax professional can help determine which path is most advantageous for your situation. For the self-employed among us, minimizing self-employment taxes can be a game changer. Your tax professional can guide you through strategies involving business expense deductions, retirement contributions, or other tax-saving measures. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to tax law changes. Knowing how recent changes could impact your situation can help you take advantage of any benefits. Documentation is key. Your tax professional can advise on what types of records and receipts you should keep for future tax seasons. If your income isn't subject to withholding, like freelance income, you'll need guidance on estimated tax payments. Your tax professional can guide you to avoid any potential penalties. An audit can be daunting, but understanding the process can help alleviate the stress. Ask your tax professional about how they can assist you and what steps you should take if selected for an audit. Retirement contributions can have tax implications. Your tax professional can provide insights into the tax efficiency of your retirement savings strategy. Investments can significantly impact your tax liability. Understanding how these activities affect your taxes is crucial for effective tax planning. Life changes, and so can your financial situation. Ask your tax professional for guidance on what to do if you experience a major life event that could impact your taxes. To wrap it all up, communication with your tax professional is key to a successful and accurate tax filing. Don't hesitate to ask any of these questions to ensure a thorough understanding of your taxes.